ever thought that you can create this kind of eye-catching dessert animations with just a few simple steps and no prior animation experience? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do this with just using Canva. Let's dive in and bring some delicious activities to life. Let's come to canva.com and go to create a design to select a video format, or you can just at the homepage go to video, and from video here you can see there's a lot of choice. Let's choose YouTube video, create blank. First go to elements and get a square shape, so we change it to black, do it to your whole canvas, and go back again to get a square. And now I would like to make a line. So what you can do here is you can click on alternate and you drag. Again, you drag. So after you create 5 strips of line here, just select 5 of it, and from here you drag it until all is even. Okay, then now you select the colors. So for this case, we will select purple, pink, and this is red, and this is orange and yellow. Now our 5 colors already created. So it's time for us to select for our elements. So you go to elements and type for dessert. Most of the dessert that I select is from photo because it looks more real. One of it is this one, but I want to have this because it's just straight. So I just put this one in the middle. And then muffin. And then you can select whatever you want. Let's say you prefer to have this as a showcase. You can select it. If things that you are select with the white background, you can go to edit image, go to BG remover to remove the whole background. And then after that, you can turn it to 90 degrees. Make it smaller. Let's go to element again. Let's find what we have here. And also maybe this again, I go to edit image, background remover. And then I will just have half of it. Let's see any cookies. I think this is nice. So after you have this, let's go to text and we type for streets dessert. And then I would like to use this font and I make it bigger. And I will choose white and effects. I make curve a bit. Okay, and then for the effects, I'll put some shadows, but I want the shadows to be black. I choose on the color view here and choose on black. I don't want to be too curvy. I will make it 50. So for the dessert, you have an options to put the shadows on it. Okay, maybe you can put this. You just put some shadows so that it look more stand out. Now we have done our first page visual, but let's do the animation for it. So for the wording, I would like to go to animate, and I would like to have something like this. And for all the desserts, I would like to make it scrap. Okay, for the timing, we'll adjust later. So now after you've done this page, go to the 3 dot over here and duplicate the page. Okay, and now we want to make the number 1 desserts, this column bigger first. So what we do is go to this, select for these 2, and we make it smaller. Make it to half. This one also, we make it half. So after you have done the first page, again we go to duplicate page, and now we adjust for the muffin. Okay, done. And then we duplicate again. Okay, now let's go for the donuts. So we can just click on both and drag it. And then now it's a donut. Then again we duplicate the page. And now is the tarts. So for this, just click on shift and select all you want to move and move it over here. Now is the tart. After that, we duplicate again. The last one is the cookies. So again, now we make this smaller and we select. It's done. We have all our showcase. Okay, let's put the transition first. Okay, click on here and I would like to choose transition, match and move, and then applies between all pages. And also for all the pages, 5 seconds I think will be a bit too long. So I will just go to here and edit 3 seconds. and then apply to all pages as well. You need to add on the wording. So go to this slide and add the heading. And this is macaron. Okay, then select the font type that you want first. I would like to have the same font, this one, Feeling Passionate. I want the font to be white, so select this text color, white. And then effects, I want to make shadows, but my shadows I want to choose black. So it's done. So we select the size around like this. Let's put animation for the name of the dessert first. Okay, let's say we want it to be drifting, and then we just copy, Control C for the macarons, and go to next slide, and Control V. So from here, we adjust the font positions, and then type in muffin. We go to the next slide again, Control V again, and then this one is donut. And then we go to next slide again. This is the fruit touch. For the last slide, I would like to duplicate this first page, and then I will drag it over to our last page. Go to layer, and let's select all the color line first. Okay, and I would like to group it and apply animations for this. Okay, this time I want to make it down and make it slow. Dessert animations, I no longer want this scrapbook. I just clear the animations, and maybe I just put this one baseline. For this in between, I would like to put animation match as well. And nothing says you can add the song for the animations. Just go to upload, and then audio, and you can upload the song, or you can use the song that's in Canva library. But due to I want to post in YouTube, so I prefer to search to get the song from YouTube library. So this is the song from YouTube library. I just drag the song and drop it over here. After you drop in the music to the timeline, go to audio effects, and for the fade out, maybe I want to add a beat, and then I go to sync now. I want to sync the song to the presentations. So let's have a look. So this is the whole presentations, and I did not show the same desserts that I use for my previous presentations. It's because I just want to let you know that you can present whatever with this kind of format. What you need to do is just you change the wordings and you change the items that you present. It might be some cartoon characters, or it might be some products that you want to showcase to your clients. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to get a sample of this entire product animation showcase presentations, just click the link in the descriptions below. I have shared the Canva templates link, so all my wonderful viewers can access it, and no need to design from scratch. Please note that there are some pro elements in the design. If you can't use the pro elements or effects, feel free to swap them out with the free options. However, as I mentioned always in my YouTube video, Canva is an amazing design tool that definitely worth subscribing to Pro for its incredible features. This video is part of my Canva creative design series, and there's so much more to come. Make sure to follow and subscribe to my channel for more creative design tips and tutorials with Canva. Happy designing!